Hey everyone, this is Mohsin from Mohsin Digital House. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create viral product videos using AI. Yes, the kind that you see all over Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. These videos look professional. But guess what? You don't need the product in hand, a model, or even a camera. You can create high-converting product videos entirely using AI. And today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to do it using just one powerful tool: Creatify. To get started, click the link in the description. It'll take you to Creatify. Sign in using your Google account. Once you're in, click on Create Now. You can either paste your product link or manually enter details. Personally, I recommend pasting the link. Creatify will automatically pull in your product name, description, and images. Want to remove an image? Just click the trash icon. Want to upload new ones? Super easy, just drag and drop from your computer. Set your preferred aspect ratio and video duration. Choose the language for your video and move to the next step. Now comes the cool part: AI-generated scripts. Creatify gives you multiple options instantly. Like one but want to tweak it? Go ahead and edit it right there. Step 3. Pick your style. Once your script is ready, Creatify will generate several video variations with different styles and avatars. Pick the one you like, and even customize the model or voiceover with a few clicks.
So you know how gaming headsets can be, right? Heavy, uncomfortable, and cutting out your best moments. Well, meet the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5X. So you know how gaming headsets can be, right? Heavy, uncomfortable, and cutting out your best moments. Well, meet the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5X. So you know how gaming headsets can be, right? Heavy, uncomfortable, and cutting out your best moments. Well, meet the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5X. It's like chatting with your squad on a cloud. Like chatting with your squad on a cloud. With 60-hour battery life and clear sound, it keeps all your platforms straight. Ready to game the smart way? Hit the link to upgrade now.
And boom. Your video is processing. Note: free users get 10 credits and each video takes 5. So yes, you can render 2 videos for free, though they'll come with a watermark. Want to remove the watermark? Upgrade to a Pro plan. And if you use our exclusive coupon code MDH15, you'll get an extra 15% off. But this offer is only for first 100 people. And just like that, you've created a professional product video using AI.
Does anyone else have that one headset they can't game without? It's time to elevate your experience with the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5X, the premium headset designed for gamers. With neodymium magnetic drivers and over 100 audio presets, elevate your experience across Xbox, PC, PS, Switch, and mobile. Connect via 2.4 GHz or Bluetooth featuring Clearcast Gen 2.x microphone clarity. Enjoy up to 60 hours of battery life. Click to learn more.
Perfect for social media, ads, or your online store. But wait, what if I told you this was just one of the tools I use to grow my digital business? In tomorrow's video, I'll introduce 2 more game-changing tools that'll help you write content faster and build stunning websites, all without touching a single line of code. So hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss it. Until next time, this is Mohsin from Mohsin Digital House, signing off. Take care and keep creating.